You don't want to do it? Why not? Can you dig your hands into the hole?
Get it out of there.
Can you grab the seeds? You don't want to?
Way down in there, Emma. Get your arm way
Get your arm in
down.
there. Get some guts. A whole handful of guts.
I'm just getting seeds.
Here, you can let her stand.
No, reach right in there. Watch Uncle Ryan.
Look at
Look at that. Look at all them seeds I got.
Can you find one in there?
Get them.
Can you find a seed?
Reach in there.
Get a
Hold
handful,
it up.
Emma.
Give it to
We
Jared.
gotta hollow this jack-o'-lantern out.
Give Jared a seed. Can you get it?
Oh, is it slippery?
Good job, Emma. Keep going.
Get a seed.
Ooh, Em. Look at that big
Find
clump.
a seed.
Look at that big nugget. Get that whole big thing. There you go.
Look what Emma's
There
doing.
you go. Oh, yeah.
Did you
Look
see
at what
that?
Daddy Dog got.
Can you
Get
do that
this.
too?
Right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, great.
Look at it. Can you
Great
do that?
job.
You can't.
Get some
Why
more.
not?
Get some
Look
more.
at Emma's
Now
doing
you're getting her. Woo! Look at her. Look at that nuggie.